Riding through Bridgewater. There's east and west, but we got the Bridgewater. There's always traffic on this Route 18. But, you know, we just deal with it, right? Again, we're trying this Samsung Gear360. We'll see how well it works. Let's go, baby.